Enjoy your trip.
Love you. Have a good weekend with Dad.
All right, come on.
See ya.
See you later. Howdy, partner. Mom is out of town for the weekend, and we are going to completely do a kitchen makeover over the next 48 hours. How does that sound?
Yay!
Today, we're going to walk you through a 48-hour kitchen makeover that my 3 daughters are going to help me to knock out before their mother comes back in from being out of town. Now, we're going to completely transform this space from that old farmhouse style to a lot more modern. We're going to put on a cool vinyl stick backsplash that we're going to grout back here because this is pretty dated. We're going to update that. We're going to update these brass pulls into black. I hope your mother likes it. Do you think she's going to get mad at me, or do you think she's going to like it?
I think she's going to get really mad at you.
You think she'll get mad? Okay. And then we're also going to take this blue island that I've never been a fan of. We're going to paint it black. So Mom is going to get really surprised when she gets back into being out of town for 2 days. Let's get started. Let's run through this, and I will show you step by step how this is done. The first step in our kitchen transformation is going to be to paint this blue island black with this Magnolia Homes spray paint. So we're going to have the girls help us take the knobs off, and then we're going to go ahead and get everything all taped up. And once we're ready to go, we will spray it and show you the finished product. All right. Well, the kitchen transformation is coming along really well. We've already painted all this top part white. And someone's reminded me, we also finished painting this island with this black spray paint. So it's looking pretty sharp, pretty nice. What are you working on?
The knobs.
The knobs. Are you switching them out to these new ones? Yeah? Show you to the camera. We got these new knobs that are nice and cool and black and modern. So you're finishing those up for me? And then, Mia, what else do we have?
We have the vents.
Oh yes, we're also modernizing our vents. We got these vents sent to us by our friends at Texas Build Mart. And these are modern linear style that go up there and really give it a neat look. So definitely excited about these. And do you think Mom's gonna like these?
Yeah.
We already installed one up there, and it's a pretty neat difference. So we'll do that, and then we gotta do the backsplash. Who's helping with the backsplash?
Me.
Yeah, you guys are all helping? Okay, well let's all grab some more knobs and some more screwdrivers, and let's keep working on getting this done. We have less than 1 day left.
Okay.
All right, let's go. Thanks. You guys having fun with that?
Yeah.
All right, good work. Keep it going. Let's go. What we're going to do is we are going to adhere this new vinyl stick tile onto this existing ceramic backsplash. This should be a pretty easy job. So what we're going to do is we're going to clean this up really nice, and then we're going to peel it off, and then we're going to stick it in here and show you how it does it across the entire backsplash. It's a pretty easy way to do a quick update on your backsplash without ripping it all out and do new drywall, new tile and everything. But then for good measure, we're also going to grout these grout lines so that it really pops. Well, so we got all this vinyl backsplash set up, and this one was a little tricky for the kids because it really stuck and it didn't let you adjust it. So that I mainly did myself. But now Mia's going to help me to grout it. So you definitely don't have to grout this type of vinyl backsplash, but it makes it look really nice when you do, and it gives it that finished product. No one will ever be able to tell whether it's a self-stick or actually mortared on. So you can get pre-mixed grout, or you can mix your own. We're going with this gray grout that we mixed ourselves, and you're just going to spread it along a grout float. I like to cover my work area because it gets a little messy. And then you want to just work this across your surface, back and forth, filling all the crevices. So why don't you go ahead and work that for me, Mia? And get it into everywhere, into every crack and every crevice. Okay, and I will help you with this one so we can work it out. Okay, good job. Let's not do it over the hour. All right, good job. So then what we want to do is once it is spread there, then you're going to take nice clean water and a sponge, and we're just going to go over it once like that, and over it once like that. And then this one has this cool microfiber, but go like that. And you're going to let it dry. So, Mia, let's finish this up. Here you go. And then we will show the finished product in just a minute. What do you think Mom's going to think?
I think she's going to be like cray. Like she's going to be like so mad at you.
Mad. Okay, sounds good. We are all done with this amazing transformation, and it turned out awesome. What a difference. I need to know, you guys were all such a big help. Summer, what was your favorite part?
The knob.
Doing the knobs? Piper, what about you?
Painting.
Oh, you were a super good painter, like your painting shirt. And then Mia, what was your favorite part?
I like attaching these.
Oh, attaching the vinyl backsplash? Yeah, that was pretty cool. So your mother's gonna be home any minute. Let's find a good hiding spot, and then we'll film her reaction. You think she'll be excited?
No, I think she's gonna be shocked.
Shocked? Okay, let's hide. Come on. She's pulling in the driveway. She'll be here in just a second.
What happened here?
Hey, welcome home. What do you think?
You guys have been busy, I see. What did you do?
We told you there'd be some changes.
Did you help Daddy?
Yeah.
All of you?
Yeah.
Do you love it?
I mean, it's pretty cool. It looks really nice.
We were old farmhouse, and now we are modern house, right?
Yeah.
All right. Thumbs up or thumbs down? What do we think?
I'll give it a thumbs up.
Okay, you see the camera. Thanks for tuning in. This is Greg's How To. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more great home tips and trips. And remember, with all these videos, as a whole family, if I can do it,
You can too.
thanks for watching.